Hi, I'm Olanwaju Olatunde. I hope you enjoyed your last class on Google Drive. In this class, I will be going through another Google app for education called Google Doc. What is Google Doc? Google Doc is a cloud-based word processor which is offered by Google as part of its Google Suite package. Other members of that package includes Google Sheets and Google Slide, which we'll also talk about in later videos. Now, with Google Docs, you have a variety of templates that have been pre-made that you can use to make your work much better and your life much easier. Also, you can access your document from either your phone, tablet, or computer, even when there is no connection. And then you can also collaborate and share with other collaborators. You can also email them or send those files as an attachment. And one essential part of Google Doc is that once you edit your document, it saves automatically. Google Docs allows you to create, format, and edit documents online. It is a powerful collaboration and document authoring tool, which means that multiple users can work in a document at the same time. And it also works well with Microsoft Word, and then it has a very good search option. So let's get started with Google Docs. Now, in order to get started with Google Docs, you can either go through your Google Drive. Let's access our Google Drive. I'm logging into my Google Drive now, which I showed you in the last video. And then we click on New and come to Google Doc and create a blank document. Or we could also type doc dot new. It brings us to where we were previously. And then we can also access it. Now we click on go to Google Docs. So here we have access to several templates that we can use. But now we will be creating a new blank template for use. So click on blank and you get into this. So at the top menu here, you have a place where you can title your document. Let's give ourselves a name for our document, call it demo. As you can see, it's saving and it said it has saved to our Google Drive. Then you can start it, which is easy to find in Google Drive, and you can also move it to any folder or files that you want. So here is our blank space. Here we have the menu structure. We have our rulers down here, and here is our workspace. So there are three modes of working in Google Doc. We have the editing mode, the suggestion mode, and we have the viewing mode. So let's access any of this, and this is the mode I was talking about: editing, suggestion, and viewing mode. We have your ruler, we have your document outline, you can make it full screen. So let's type something. This is a sample working document for Google Doc. So as we can see here, it's saving automatically, and as we make changes, it saves there. One other thing that I would like to talk about is sharing. So if you click on, as you can see, it says private to only me. So I'm the only one that can access this file right now. But if I click on this, it loads it just like we got in the last video. Then let me type my email address, it brings it out, and then I am sharing this document with you. And then I click on send. Oh, one thing I forgot to show you, it says person added here. One thing I forgot to show you is that I can change the role of the person I've sent it to. I can make them an editor, a commenter, or a viewer. A viewer means they can make edit. A commenter means they can make suggestions, while the editor can make the changes. So here we are back to our workspace now. And if we do this, it says shared with one person. So it means Google have sent a message to my other account telling me that you shared the document with me. Another thing I want to show us is that when I click on file, you can download as a Word document, a rich text format, or a PDF format. You can email as attachment. You can make available offline. Then you can also email collaborators. Now, it says here, this is somebody I've shared the files with. You have a demo. I am still waiting on your suggestions. And I click on send. So it says email sent. So I still get an email saying you're waiting for the suggestion. So we'll just go through these menu options. Like you have the files, you have your edit, you have your view, you have your insert where you can insert images, tables or drawings or chart. You can put an horizontal line. Then you have your headers and footers, page numbers. Then you have table of content. Then you can also format your font. For example, you can change the text if you want it to be bold or italics. You can change your line spacing. You can add bullet numbering, tools, spelling and grammar, word count, voice typing, preferences. And you also have add-ons that will probably help you expand or extend whatever what you want to do with Google Doc. So this is an overview of Google Doc, and you can use it and collaborate with other students as well. Like I said, you can access the file offline, and when you come online, it syncs together and then it brings everything up to date. You can access it with multiple devices as well, and then multiple people can work on it at the same time. And when they're both working on it, you see Google will differentiate between two of you. That's all I have to teach you about Google Doc, and I hope this has been informative. And then in the next class, we'll be looking at another Google App for Education called Google Slides. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you later. Bye bye.